Welcome to Ace My Exams Learning. Let us get started with today's learning.
Question. Name and explain the types of funding or funding providers that can help one to study further. Accessing higher education often requires financial support, and learners must know the different options available. The following forms of funding and funding providers that can help students to continue their studies at college or university. 1. Bursary. One option is a bursary, which is a grant, especially awarded to someone to enable him or her to study at university or college. This type of funding is given to students who show potential or need financial help. A bursary is regarded as funding that is not repaid, which means that students who receive it do not need to pay the money back once their studies are completed. This makes bursaries one of the most affordable and beneficial forms of funding for learners from disadvantaged backgrounds. 2. Loan. Another source of financial support is a loan. A loan is money borrowed from the bank, which is expected to be paid back with interest within a certain period. Unlike a bursary, a loan creates a financial obligation for the student, as repayment is required. While this type of funding provides immediate access to tuition fees and living expenses, students must carefully consider the cost of interest and plan how they will repay the loan after finishing their studies. 3. Scholarship. A scholarship is also a valuable form of support for learners. It can be defined as a grant or payment made to support a student's education, based on academic or other achievements. Scholarships usually reward excellent academic performance, sporting talent, or artistic ability. Students who receive scholarships are recognized for their merit, and like bursaries, scholarships do not require repayment, which makes them highly sought after. 4. Contract bursaries. Learners can also benefit from contract bursaries, which are awarded by companies, and on completion of studies, the recipient has to work for the company. This type of funding provides both financial assistance and future job opportunities. While it reduces the stress of unemployment after graduation, the recipient must be committed to fulfilling the contract and working for the company for the agreed period. 5. National Student Financial Aid Scheme. The National Student Financial Aid Scheme, NSFAS, is another important option. It is a bursary scheme funded by the Department of Higher Education and Training for those who do not have the financial means to fund their studies. NSFAS ensures that students from disadvantaged families are able to pursue higher education. It is also described as government funding for those who cannot access bank funding, study loans and bursaries. This scheme provides wide access to education and reduces inequality by supporting learners who would otherwise not afford to study.
To access more learning and exam preparation materials, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.